Interesting dog facts you probably didn't know. Some of them might surprise you. What's good, YouTube? We have put together 15 facts about dogs. Be sure to stick around till the end of this video, and we will reveal the single most important fact every dog owner should know. As a dog lover, you are aware that your canine friend is unique, and scientists concur. These 15 entertaining canine facts may surprise you. Number 1. Dogs dream just like people do. According to scientists, little dog breeds dream more than giant dog breeds, and that dog sleep patterns are comparable to those of humans. Dogs move around and twitch during REM sleep, just like people do. If your terrier has been twitching when he sleeps, he is most likely dreaming. Number 2. Your dog's nose is 10,000 to 100,000 times more sensitive than yours. Compared to the average human, a dog's nose has millions more scent receptors, which is why they are occasionally used to sniff out drugs, explosives, and even dead corpses. Even human cancer cells can be detected by specially trained dogs. A dog could see just as clearly more than 3,000 miles away, according to James Walker, a former director of Florida State University's Sensory Research Institute. If you make the analogy to vision, he says, what you and I can see a third of a mile away, a dog could see just as clearly more than 3,000 miles away. Number 3. Each dog's nose is unique, similar to how each fingerprint is. The pattern on each dog's snout is distinctive and individual. They also possess up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in us. And the part of a dog's brain that is devoted to analyzing smells is about 40 times greater than ours. Dogs also have something called neophilia, which means they are attracted to new and interesting odors. Number 4. Your dog's first developed sense is touch. A puppy's first experience after birth is being cleansed by his mother, which activates the puppy's nerve endings and causes the puppy's blood to flow. Touch becomes an essential component of socialization from this point forwards, enabling the dog to form bonds with both people and other canines. Number 5. Your dog is as intelligent as a young child. Most canines, according to scientists, are as intelligent as 2-year-old children. They are able to manipulate humans and other canines for rewards, and can comprehend up to 200 words. Border Collies have been discovered to be the smartest canine breeds. Number 6. Puppies are born blind and deaf. If you've ever witnessed a puppy being born, you know that he has closed eyelids at birth. The majority of puppies open their eyes and start to react to stimuli after around 10 days, since newborn dogs are still developing. They are born deaf and blind and rely on their mother for care for the first few weeks of their lives. Puppies' eyes aren't fully grown when they are born, which is why they are closed at birth. Number 7. Your dog could possess a sixth sense. Numerous dog owners have amazing tales to share about how their dog seemed to possess a sixth sense. In fact, a 2010 survey found that a whopping 67% of pet owners said their animals behaved abnormally before a storm, and as many as 43% said this was the case. Number 8. A 1-year-old canine has the same physical development as a human who is 15 years old. A 1-year-old puppy has the same physical maturity as a 15-year-old teenager, despite the fact that every dog breed ages differently. Huge dogs, for instance, mature faster than small dogs. Puppies continue to grow in height and size while their bones are still forming, which takes anywhere between 6 and 24 months. Although all puppies are officially classified as adult dogs once they reach the age of 1 year, this growth occurs before this point. How tall they will grow to be as adults depends on how their skeleton develops. Number 9. Your dog is sensitive to your emotions. Feeling down? Don't be shocked if your dog shows you more affection and attention than usual. Scientists have shown that your dog can pick up on little changes in your scent and use that information to guess how you're feeling. Similar to humans, dogs are able to detect some physical changes in their owners, including illness and even pregnancy. Dogs can detect depression, according to study, and many of them will even offer their owners affection in an effort to lift their spirits. Dogs observe our behaviors to gauge our current energy in the same manner that we observe their behavior. Number 10. Your dog dries out through his paws only. Have you ever noticed that your dog's paws have a slight odor? Over time, dog paws build up a callus and become stronger, especially if the dog spends a lot of time on rough surfaces. But if paw pads become rough and dry, they won't heal as quickly from normal wear and tear, and they can cause pain and irritation. Number 11. Many work as assistance dogs, helping humans. Many canines receive special training to serve as guide dogs, ensuring the safety of the blind. While some courageous hounds work as search and rescue dogs to aid human rescuers in saving people from peril, others are assistance dogs who keep their owners safe and at ease. According to studies, people who own dogs have lower blood pressure and better reactions to stress. People who had already undergone coronary episodes had an even greater level of risk reduction for mortality, proving that even simply sharing a home with a dog can make a difference. Number 12. They can be right or left-pawed. The majority of dogs, like most people, have a dominant hand, or in this case, paw. You may perform a straightforward science experiment to determine which one it is. Watch as a dog transitions from being motionless to walking forwards. Do they begin by using their left or right leg to walk? If there is a pattern, watch numerous times while noting the starting leg each time. A lot of dogs will frequently lead with their dominant limb. Number 13. Dogs use body language to express their feelings. Dogs frequently communicate through signs and smells rather than sound, using anything from their ears to their shoulders, tails, and eyebrows. Their posture also makes a significant influence. Fear and worry are evident in dogs when their tails are tucked between their legs or pointed downward towards the ground. Dogs who are confident and possibly even aggressive hold up their tails like a flag. Dogs that are at ease maintain their tails in a neutral position, though neutrality varies by breed. Pay close attention the next time you observe a dog interacting with a person or another dog. Are they reducing their size or rising up tall and strong? What are they attempting to say, in your opinion? Number 14. They evolved from a now extinct species of wolf. Although this domestication may have occurred twice, giving rise to groups of dogs descended from two distinct common ancestors, all present dogs are descended from wolves. There have been various theories as to how and when this domestication took place. Even though pugs and poodles may not look the part, all dogs may be traced back to wolves if you go far enough in the past. About 15,000 to 40,000 years ago, gray wolves and dogs split off from a wolf species that is now extinct. Dogs were probably accidentally tamed when wolves started pursuing prehistoric hunter-gatherers, so they could chow down on their leftover food. According to one theory, docile wolves may have been given extra food scraps so they might survive and pass on their genes. These amiable wolves eventually turned into dogs. And now for the bonus and most important dog fact that every dog owner should know. Number 15. The most important dog fact that all owners should know. Like humans, dogs need food, water, and shelter to survive. Yet they also need physical care, mental stimulation, and nurturing to thrive. Providing these things is an essential part of keeping your dog healthy and safe, and sets the foundation for a long, happy life with your dog. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our dog products in the link in the description. It helps to create more content. See you next time.